Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer on Bender's MC. Brewing is a rewarding process that involves three main stages: fermenting your ingredients, optionally distilling for certain drinks, and finally, aging your creations in barrels. Mastering these steps allows you to craft a wide array of beverages, each with unique properties. The quality of your finished beer, indicated by stars, directly impacts its value and effects when you drink it. To begin your brewing journey, you'll need a few essential items. First, place a cauldron over a heat source, such as a campfire or magma block, and fill it with water using a bucket. Next, gather your beer ingredients. For example, hops are key for many beers, while wheat or barley are used for others. Remember, some crops might require drying in a wooden silo before use. Finally, have plenty of empty glass bottles on hand for the next step. With your cauldron set up, it's time to ferment. Simply right-click the cauldron with your ingredients, like 3 hops for a basic beer. The ingredients will begin to ferment in the heated water. Each recipe has a specific fermentation time. You can check this by right-clicking the cauldron with a clock. Once the process is complete, right-click the cauldron with empty glass bottles to decant your freshly fermented brew, yielding 3 bottles per cauldron. The final step to perfecting your beer is aging. You'll need a barrel. A small one can be made with 8 wooden stairs and a sign labeled barrel. Place your bottled brews inside the barrel, and they will begin to age. Each in-game day your beer spends in the barrel counts as 1 year of aging. This crucial step enhances the quality and value of your drink, with some recipes even benefiting from specific wood types for the barrel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.